Today, we're introducing Prestashop Product Size Chart, an add-on that lets you create and display custom size charts on product detail pages for better product clarity. So let's quickly walk through the workflow of the module. First, log in to your back office. Once you're logged in, configure how the size chart appears by going to the Modules section. Click on the Module Manager tab, search for the module, and click the Configure button. You will be taken to the configuration page, where you can manage and customize all the module settings. The first option is Display Position. This option lets you choose where the size chart will appear on the product detail page. You can display the size chart above the quantity box, inside the Products tab, in the Product Additional Information section, or on the product page footer. Here, I am selecting the size chart above the quantity box option. The next option is Size Chart Display Type. This option is used to define how the size chart appears on the product page. There are 3 different ways to display the size chart. The first option is Pop-up, where the size chart opens in a pop-up window directly on the product detail page. Second, you can choose Display Size Chart by default, which means the size chart remains open and visible as soon as the product page loads. Third, there is the Slideshow and Hide option, where customers can click an arrow to open or close the size chart as needed. Here, I have selected the Display Size Chart by default option. Next is the Image Display Position option. This setting allows the admin to decide where the reference image appears in relation to the size chart. You can display the image in the default position at the top, bottom, left, or right of the size chart, making it easier for customers to understand measurements visually. Here, I have selected the top position. Next is the Preview Size Chart Image toggle button. When enabled, it allows customers to preview a larger version of the size chart image. Moving further, we have the Display Size Chart Title on the product page toggle button, which lets you show the size chart title above the chart on the product page. The Size Chart Template View option lets you choose the display format of the size chart, either row-wise or column-wise, making it easier for customers to compare measurements and select the right fit. Here, I have selected the row-wise view. Next are the color field options, where you can customize the chart background color, chart description background color, and chart description text color. You can also configure the chart table heading background color, heading text color, row background color, and row text color. Simply choose the desired colors from the respective options to ensure the size chart is clear, readable, and visually well-balanced. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Save button and your settings will be successfully saved on the configuration page. After saving the configuration, move to adding a product size chart. Go to the Catalog section in the back office, where you will see a new tab called Product Size Chart. Click on it to be redirected to the page where you can easily add and manage size charts. To add a product size chart, click on the Add New Size Chart button. This will open a new page where you can enter all the required details to easily set up and manage the size chart. Start by entering the size chart title in the title field, then add the size chart description in the description field. If needed, you can also upload an image in the image field to make the size chart more visual and engaging. The next option is Size Chart Type. When creating a size chart, you have 2 options to select attributes, predefined and custom. Let's go through both in detail. The predefined option allows you to create a size chart using attributes that are already available in Prestashop. Simply select the existing attributes and they will automatically be added to the size chart, saving time and ensuring consistency with your store's existing product data. The next option is custom. This option gives you the flexibility to create a size chart using entirely new attributes. Simply enter the attribute names you want to add in the attribute field, separated by commas. This is ideal when you need to define unique measurements or specifications that are not part of your existing Prestashop attributes. Let's start by adding a size chart using the predefined chart type. First, select the predefined option in the size chart type. Next, choose the attribute for which you want to create the size chart from the Select Attribute option. I have selected the size attribute. After that, choose the specific attribute values from the Choose Attribute Value option. The selected values will appear below. To add rows, simply click the Add Row button and enter the required values. This makes it easy to build a structured and accurate size chart for your products. Here, I am entering shoulder in the first row and length in the second row, then adding the respective measurement values in the fields. You can also add a new attribute value using the Add New Value button after entering all the details. Finally, enable the Enable Toggle button and click Save to store your size chart. Just like that, your predefined size chart is ready to use. Now, let's add a size chart using the Custom Size Chart type. Start by entering the title in the title field. In the Size Chart Type option, select the Custom option. The first field is Attribute Group Name, where you need to enter the name of the attribute group. Here, I am entering size. The second field is Custom Attribute, where you can enter the attribute values. If you are adding multiple values, make sure to separate each one with a comma for proper formatting. In this case, I am entering small, medium, and large, separated by commas. After entering the required values, click on the Continue button to proceed. Using the Add Column option, you can add new columns to your size chart, and with the Add Row button, you can easily insert new rows. Once the rows and columns are added, enter the corresponding values based on the selected attributes. Here, I am entering sleeves in the first row and waist in the second row, then filling in the respective measurement values. Finally, enable the Status Toggle button and click the Save button to save the customized size chart. Once added, the admin can view all size charts on the Size Chart listing page. From this page, you can easily edit, delete, duplicate, filter, and enable or disable size charts. If you want to manage multiple size charts at once, you can use the bulk action options to enable, disable, or delete multiple size charts simultaneously. After saving the product size chart, the next step is to associate it with a product. To do this, go to the Catalog section and click on the Products tab. Select the desired product and click the Edit option. On the Edit Product page, go to the Modules tab and click the Configure button. Now let's see how to assign a size chart to the product. First, select Yes under the Assign Size Chart on Product option. Once enabled, choose the size chart you want to associate with the product from the available list. If the required size chart has not been created yet, you can create one instantly by clicking the Create New Size Chart button at the bottom of the page and setting it up. After selecting the size chart from the drop-down, click the Save button. Now let's see how this works on the front end. Go to the Front Office and select the product for which you have assigned the size chart. When customers visit the product page, they will see the size chart along with the values set by the admin on the Product Details page. As per the configuration we set earlier, the size chart is displayed above the quantity box, making it easily visible to customers at the right moment. Since the size chart display type is set to default, the chart appears openly on the Product Details page without requiring any extra clicks. The size chart image is positioned on the left side, exactly as configured in the back office, and customers can preview the image for better size clarity. To complete the presentation, the size chart title is clearly displayed above the chart, ensuring a clean, professional, and user-friendly layout. As configured, the size chart is displayed in a row-wise format, making the measurements easy to read and compare. This layout helps customers quickly understand the size details and confidently select the right fit. Now, let's head back to the Product Size Chart page. Once the page loads, we'll take a closer look at the second tab called the Size Chart Bulk Action tab and understand its purpose. This feature allows you to assign a specific size chart to multiple products at the same time instead of linking it individually to each product. This is especially useful for stores with a large product catalog, as it helps save a significant amount of time. To begin the mass assignment process, click the Add New Filter button. The filter works as a product selector, allowing you to target products based on specific criteria. You can filter products using options such as product name patterns, categories, brands, or suppliers. After selecting the desired filter, click the Search button. Once the products are filtered and displayed, select the products and choose the size chart you want to apply to all of them. After selecting the required size chart, click the Save button. At this stage, you will see two save options. The first is Save and Stay, which saves the bulk action configuration and keeps you on the Add Edit Bulk Action page, allowing you to make further changes or create additional bulk actions without leaving the page. The second option is the Save button. This will save the bulk action and redirect you to the Size Chart Bulk Action Listing page, where you can view and manage all existing bulk actions. Let me quickly add one more bulk action. From the Size Chart Bulk Action Listing page, the admin can easily view, edit, delete, and filter the bulk actions. If you want to remove multiple size chart bulk action filters at once, you can use the Bulk Action option to delete multiple filters simultaneously. Now let's talk about the Size Chart Unit page, an important feature that adds clarity and precision to your size charts. In the Size Chart Unit section, you can define and manage the measurement units used across your size charts. Units such as inches, centimeters, meters, or any other measurement system can be created and managed here. This means when you build size charts, especially for apparel or dimensional products, you can display accurate unit labels alongside the measurements. To create a new unit, simply click the Add New Unit button and enter the name of the measurement in the Unit of Measurement field. For example, you can enter meters and save it. Once the unit is added, it becomes available when filling in attribute values for the size chart on the Edit Size Chart page. After that, the admin can view all units on the Size Chart Unit listing page. From this page, you can easily edit, delete, and filter the units. If you want to remove multiple units at once, you can use the Bulk Action options to delete multiple units simultaneously. So, this was all about how the Prestashop Product Size Chart works and how you can configure it according to your store's needs. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.